Have you ever landed at your destination, only to realize your phone's dead, your charger's missing, and you're fighting airport outlets like they're treasure chests? In 2025, the right travel gadget can be the difference between a stress-free trip and a travel nightmare. But with thousands of so-called must-have gadgets out there, most are useless or gimmicky. Today, we're sorting the wheat from the chaff. I present to you the top 7 travel gadgets that actually work in 2025. Gadgets real travelers swear by repeatedly across continents, cities, and time zones. These are not fluff. Each one has been tested, reviewed, or recommended by travel tech editors, gear reviewers, or frequent flyers. I'll show you how to choose them, how to use them smartly, and how to avoid the ones that fail you when you need them most. Plus, I'll share real-world stories and behind-the-scenes tips so you never get stuck again. Let's dive in. Gadget number 1 is already a lifesaver on flights, buses, and remote airports. This is Elite Trailblazer, travel tips that actually work. Gadget number 1, high-quality noise canceling. Headphones, earbuds. When you're flying, one of the biggest annoyances is noise. Engines roaring, crying babies, constant announcements. A good noise-canceling headphone or earbud is often the first upgrade travelers make. But in 2025, not just any noise canceling works. The Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra 2 is one standout for 2025, recently praised by The Guardian for combining superb comfort, robust battery life, and top-notch noise cancellation. Many travel tech lists also still recommend models from Sony's WH series, Bang & Olufsen's premium options, or newer challengers like Anker's excellent value alternatives. Why this matters? It blocks ambient noise so you can rest, work, or focus. It has a great battery life, ills no mid-flight panic. And it's often used in airplanes and transit hubs where noise is rampant. Usage tip: set them to adaptive mode where available. Many newer models auto-adjust to ambient sound. Also carry a lightweight AUX cable. Some entertainment systems still use old jacks. Caution: always check airline headphone policies. Some require adapters. Gadget number 2, ultra-high-capacity portable power bank, USB-C, GAN. A dead phone, tablet, camera, or even e-reader can turn a travel day sour. That's why a reliable airline-legal power bank is gold. In 2025, the best ones combine high-capacity, fast-charging, USB-C PD, and compact form. Travel + Leisure's editorial on essential gear lists multiple top picks for 2025 that combine size and power. SF Gate also highlights a strong contender, a 25,000 mAh power bank with dual ports, USB-A and USB-C, and real-time display of charge status. Why this matters? It keeps your devices alive through long travel, layovers, remote spots. Multiple ports let you charge phone, AirPods, and camera simultaneously. Usage tip: carry it in your carry-on, not checked, as required by airlines. Choose power banks under or within airline watt-hour limits, e.g. 100 WH, to avoid being refused. Caution: avoid cheap knockoffs. Use brands with protection circuits and certifications. Gadget number 3, multi-plug universal travel adapter with USB-C SOA. Again, one of the oldest travel problems. You get to your hotel, pull out a mouthful of adapters, and nothing fits. In 2025, the versatile universal travel adapter remains a must-have. But the best ones integrate smart USB-C GAN tech to reduce footprint and bulk. Many 2025 gear roundups mention these as essential. Some reviews call them the only adapter you'll ever need. Why this matters? You can use it across countries without buying a new plug for each region. And you can charge multiple devices simultaneously, laptop, phone, etc. Usage tip: ensure it supports pass-through charging so your laptop plus phone can be charged at once. Also verify grounding and safety features. Caution: avoid cheap adapters without surge protection when traveling to countries with voltage fluctuations. Gadget number 4, smart luggage tracker, Tile, AirTag, Jeep's tracker. Ever had luggage lost or offloaded? This is one fear many travelers live with. Secretly tracking your bag gives peace of mind and a fighting chance to recover it. Men's Journal, in its 2025 travel gadget list, includes devices like Tile Slim and other trackers as essential travel items. Reddit travel communities also praise packing a compact tracker as a safety habit. I slip a tracker into my checked bag and feel less frantic waiting at the carousel. Why this matters? You know where your luggage is in real time, or you're close to it. It's especially helpful for transfers or airports with known baggage issues. Usage tip: use trackers with long battery life or replaceable cell batteries. Hide them near the bag frame. Use tracker networks, Tile, Apple Find My, for best coverage. Caution: some airlines may require trackers to be switched off during flight. Always check local rules. Gadget number 5. Compact foldable Bluetooth keyboard, portable monitor. If you travel and do work, writing, emails, editing, mobile phones and tablets sometimes aren't enough. The solution in 2025 is sleek, collapsible peripherals. A foldable Bluetooth keyboard or ultra-slim portable monitor can transform your in-flight, hotel, or cafe setup. Tech Radar recently covered HP's new portable Neo LED monitor, just 0.35 inches thick, as an example of what the modern traveler can carry. Travel and Leisure also reviewed compact travel displays and accessories in their 2025 Tech Gear Rundown. Why this matters? You work comfortably on a larger screen, and you use full keyboard ergonomics rather than cramped touchscreen typing. Usage tip: prefer monitors powered via single USB-C cable, data plus power. Choose keyboards that fold or roll for portability. Caution: ensure both devices are compatible with your laptop or phone before buying. Gadget number 6. Smart Toiletry Sanitizer, UV Travel Sanitizer. Cover hygiene and health matter. In 2025, one of the rising gadgets is a UVC toothbrush sanitizer cover Travel UV Sanitizer, a device that helps you sanitize your toothbrush, small gadgets, or accessories in a confined space. Travel Noir listed the rechargeable toothbrush sanitizer cover as one of the most anticipated gadgets of 2025. Why this matters? It helps keep germs at bay in hotel bathrooms, shared lavatories. And it's small but adds confidence to your travel hygiene. Usage tip: use after brushing or keeping your smaller items in it during a layover. Some devices also double as chargers or storage capsules. Caution: don't rely only on it. Still rinse items if necessary. Gadget number 7. Multi-tool, Swiss Army Smart Tool, or Modular Organizer. No travel is perfect. Sometimes you'll need a tool, screwdriver, SIM slot ejector, bottle opener, etc. A compact multi-tool, ideally airline legal, i.e. no large blades, is a frequent traveler's secret companion. Additionally, modular organizers or gadget pouches, with detachable power banks, USB hubs, cable organizers, make a small difference. Pack Hacker, for instance, is a site that rigorously reviews organization gear for travel. They emphasize modular and flexible systems. Why this matters? It's great for unexpected fixes, cable tangles, SIM swaps. It keeps your gear tidy so you don't dig every time. Usage tip: choose tools without knife blades for airline compliance. Screwdrivers, wrenches, SIM ejectors are safer. Organizers should be soft, expandable, and modular. Caution: don't pack any blades or parts that violate travel rules. Research local laws. Bonus gadget: packing cubes and compression systems. While not exactly gadgets, packing cubes, especially compression packing cubes, are repeatedly highlighted by travelers and experts as essential to making gadgets usable. Reddit threads in r travel hacks praise them for their organizing power. Many gear lists also include them in must-have travel tech and accessories lists for 2025. Why this matters? It can cake your bag orderly so you can reach gadgets quickly. It reduces damage and tangles during transit. You can use them in concert with your gadgets. Assign one cube for electronics and cables, another for power gear, etc. How to choose and use these gadgets smartly. Let me share a few strategies so your travel kit serves you best. Prioritize by use case. What do you actually do while traveling? Don't pack a portable monitor if you never work on the go. Weight to value ratio. Every gram counts. Choose gadgets that justify their weight. A light power bank is better than a heavy one you rarely need. Compatibility and standards. Prefer USB-C, PD, power delivery, universal voltage adapters, and cross-platform devices, so nothing gets stranded. Battery and safety compliance. Always ensure your power banks and battery devices comply with airline and local lithium battery regulations, WH or MA limits. Modular and replaceable parts. Devices with modular cables, replaceable batteries, or easy repairs will last longer in harsh travel conditions. Use with intention. Don't carry everything all the time. Rotate gadgets based on trip length, region, and anticipated usage. So there you have it, the top 7 travel gadgets that actually work in 2025. If you arm yourself with even a few of these, your travel experience transforms. You'll fight fewer outlet hunts, avoid panicking in terminals, and never dread lost luggage as much. If you got value from this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so my next gadget deep dive finds you right away. Drop in the comments. Which one are you adding to your carry-on next? Because travel isn't just about where you go, it's how smart you go. Elite Trailblazer. Making journeys smoother, one gadget at a time.